Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on Android 16. Let's begin. First we want to go into our settings. Now let's leave that. And now I want to navigate into Wallpaper and Style. And here we have our lock screen and home screen. As you can see, we can switch between those just like that. So of course we want to navigate to lock screen and then we can click more wallpapers. And now we can create our custom wallpaper. Or we can choose between something from our gallery or something that is already built in. We can also create something using AI or a simple emoji workshop. I will probably go through Emoji Workshop because it is pretty fast. I'm gonna go with InspireMe for something funny. So these are pretty boring. Yeah, these are incredibly boring. I'm kind of disappointed. Oh my god. Well, this is pretty good. Though I will switch colors because I really like the green color, so I will go with green. We can change the pattern to something else, though I really like this pattern. Now I will simply hit set. Now we can make sure that we are setting it only as lock screen, not home screen. So we can set it as wallpaper. Now we want to turn off the home screen because we are only changing it for the lock screen. We hit set. And as you can see, our wallpaper is now changed. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.